No, no, that's the wrong comment. Sorry, guys. I promised you guys a face reveal, so here it is. Almost kicked the camera. What is going on, guys? It's me. I'm Phone Repair Guru. I'm the guy who does the crunches. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. I have fun making them. I like fixing stuff, so I'm happy that you guys like watching me fix stuff, if that makes sense. But yeah, here's my epic face reveal. It's been fun. We're at 1 million subscribers now, which is kind of crazy. Almost at 1.1, which is even crazier. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. There's a lot more stuff planned and a lot more stuff on the way, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.